Hello, hello, speechers, and welcome to today's storytelling time. Remember the Karims? They were looking for the perfect house and they found it. So today is the Karim's perfect moving day. Are you ready? So it was a bright golden morning when Mr. and Mrs. Karim arrived at their new dream house with the moving truck behind them. The sun was shining on the fresh white walls, and the garden smelled of new beginnings. The moving truck stood proudly in the driveway, ready to unload their life's treasures. The couple, hand in hand, could already picture how each room would soon come alive with warmth and love. So let's begin with the living room. They started giving instructions to the staff, and they asked them to place the furniture where they wanted. So, place the sofa against the wall, near the large window where sunlight gently pours in. Set the coffee table right in front and lay the soft rug underneath. Hang the paintings above the sofa to bring color and elegance to the room. As the movers carefully followed instructions, the living room starts to glow with comfort, a space ready for laughter, conversations, and quiet evenings together. So, you see, they can see that this will be the perfect space, and now it's getting ready to receive laughter, conversations, and quiet evenings together. In this part of the story, you can listen to instructions, the imperative form. Place the sofa against the wall. Put the rug underneath the table. Place. Put. Set the coffee table. That is imperative. Just the verb at the beginning or in a softer way. Let's put the sofa against the wall. Let's set the table in the middle of the room. So, speechers, don't forget to follow us. No se olviden seguirnos, darle me gusta, darle clic para suscribirse y buscarnos en TikTok y en Instagram. Ahí podrán encontrar las versiones cortitas del vocabulario utilizado en las historias, la gramática, y podemos seguir interactuando. Pregunte, comente, que estaré gustosa de contestar por ahí. See you soon, speechers.